Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, those students who have not joined by mentioning their classes at the end of their names, they should rejoin again. Okay, they should leave and rejoin quickly again. Acha ji. Yes, Musa Ishtiaq, you want to ask something? Why you have raised the hand? Yes.
Instead, I downloaded small basic and I click on Google Classroom and I click on the practical work. Here is written download. Then download. There is written 403 error.
Your voice is not clear, Musa Ishtiaq. But what I have understood that you are getting some error. Okay. So whenever you
Yes.
have got any such kind of error, so you will have to see on which line number is this, and you have to follow that the coding should be according to the given rules. Okay. So normally that the program that I give you, if you go to your class is, let's suppose, P1, B or C, whatever. So when you will see that whenever I have given you the work, I give you the files as well. These files that I am giving you, arithmetic हमने किया था, not equal हमने किया था last time, if statement किया था. So when you will download them and when you will open it in your small basic, let me open your work that we were doing last time. Whatever we had done, uh, the program, it was basically if statement as well. So this was the program. So I am giving you the program. It is free of errors. No error is there. Okay. Yes, Rimsha, you want to ask something? Yes, quickly. I have unmuted your mic. If you have got any question, please ask me. Okay. Salaf Ibrahim. Yes, what is your question?
Sir, I tried to open the file and first I had to download it because when I tried your way it didn't work. There was an error. So when it opens on the dialog, we have to download it. There is like a sign there to download. So when you click on download, you can download the file and then go to Small Basic and click on open and search for the file again.
Open पे जाके you will see in the downloads. The file will be there wherever you have downloaded it. And then that file will be opened by going to this option. You will go to open option. If let's suppose if it is there in the downloads, so you will find the file that it has been downloaded and you will double click on it. It will be open. Now no issue is there. Okay. Acha ji. Now we are going to just pay attention. I will take the questions later on. We have to accomplish this task. This was the task that we were doing last time. This is the task that we were doing last time. All these students will keep their cameras closed. There is an important announcement for you that I will give you the classwork and the homework for this chapter on Wednesday, means today. So on every Wednesday you are going to have your classwork and the homework, and you have to accomplish the classwork and the homework in your Google class, in your copies you have to write, and you will see your classwork and homework in your Google Classroom, just like when we completed our this chapter number 5, as you can see over here in the Google Classroom. So when we completed the chapter number 5, I had given you the classwork and the homework over here at some date of July. So in this way, you will be given the classwork and the homework, and you will have to accomplish that particular work which is given to you. For chapter number 5, I had given you this classwork and homework, okay? But it was complete for the chapter number 5. But now I will give you the classwork and homework on every Wednesday. You are going to have it on every Wednesday, and I will check it. How I will check it? I will ask you to open your cameras and show me that you have done your classwork and your homework, and then I will be able to know that you have written this thing in your copies. Okay? Yes, Urfa, you have got any question? Please ask
Sir,
me. Yes, please.
I want to ask that do we have to do it in homework in our notebooks and then attach to Google Classroom?
No, not no. Right now, I'm not saying कि attach it Google Classroom. I am saying कि you will have to do in your notebooks only. And when I will ask you, so then you can show it in Zoom class by opening your camera. You can show it. Okay, you have written this thing. Okay, to make it
Okay, sir.
easier. Okay, fine. अच्छा जी. Yes, Hasnain Nawaz, you have got any question? Hasnain Nawaz.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Ji, please. Walaikum salam. Ji, please ask the question.
Sir, my camera doesn't work, but I have printed all the work of chapter 5. So, sir, what can I do now?
Basically, the classwork and the homework are there for you to write in your copies. Okay, it's better that you should write. I did not ask you to print. Okay. Anyway, Yasir Badr, you have got any question? Yasir, yes, quickly.
Sir, when you will check the homework
In the next class. Today I will give you the classwork and homework, and I will check in the next class. Okay?
sir.
And I will give you marks accordingly. If not completed, you are going to have 0 marks for that. Keep in mind. Acha ji. Aris Khan, yes, ask the question quickly. Why so many questions are there? I am unable to answer.
Are you going to check our work today?
Not today. As I have told you, today I will give you for this chapter, I am going to give you the classwork and the homework. And then I will check in the next class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Madiha, Maida Jamil. Yes, quickly.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Yes, please.
Sir, can we print and paste it in our notebook?
No, I will recommend that you should write it. The class and homework is not
Okay, sir.
not more than a 1-pager. Okay, so you should write it. Liman Khan.
Sir, how many marks are there for homework?
That you will come to know. Okay, you don't worry about the marks. The marks will be shared with you. How many marks are there? Normally, that वैसे जो homework होगा, it will be for all the homeworks will be for complete 20 marks. Okay, fine. अच्छा जी. So I think these all things are now clear, and your queries are also covered because we have less time and we have to complete the work as well. Yes, Salaf Ibrahim, you have got some question? Quickly ask me the question so that I can move towards the... Yes.
Sir, for the people whose camera is not working, they can send you on WhatsApp or in Google Class.
Okay, I will let you know about it. I will let you know about it. Yes, Musa Ishtiaq.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, when I click on Google Classroom, there is written please download and download it, and there is written there is 403 error.
Okay, fine. Fine. Just lower the hand now. I will address all these issues. Acha ji. Just lower the hand. No one will raise the hand. No one will raise the hand now. Just lower the hand. I am going to mark for the attendance. So there are Aris Khan to Alian Asad. Aris Khan to Alian Asad. Okay. And then up to Hasnan Nawaz. And then up to Muhammad Safi. And then up to Soban Khan. And then up to Affan Javed. Okay. Abdullah Shafiq. Abdullah Shafiq. Abdullah Shafiq. I have unmuted your mic. You are in which class? Okay. So now we are going towards the today's topic. As I have told you, last time we were actually going through the different things. We discussed about the if-else statement as well. Okay, if-else statement, and now we are going to see some more things. We discussed about the comparisons operators. Comparison operator was also there. Comparison का मतलब ये when we are making comparisons, so we are seeing whether A is greater than B or B is greater than A. So we are making comparisons for the comparison operator. Before comparison operators, we discussed about the arithmetical operators. Okay, arithmetical operators. Arithmetical operators are there, greater, plus, minus, divide, multiply. And in the arithmetical operators, we said that कि पहले parenthesis solve होती है. First the parenthesis will be solved, then multiplication and division will be solved, and then addition and subtraction will be solved. So we had written one statement to elaborate this thing. Last time I asked you, okay, when I solve the a plus b whole square formula to evaluate the answer, and we came to know that okay, parenthesis will be solved first, then the multiplication and the division will be solved, and then accordingly addition and subtraction will be solved. So this is the order about this thing. One question is there in the book and you are going to reply for this. Acha, then if you talk about the comparison operators, so less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to, these all are the comparisons that we can make. No one will raise the hand. Let me just finish the topic, then I will ask you and then I will take the questions. So less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to के लिए less than, greater than का symbol है, not equal to के लिए. So these are the things that we saw in last class, and we had made the programs for it, and I had given you these programs in your Google Classroom. Now logical operators are also there. Logical operators क्या है कि when we are merging two conditions, when what we are doing, we are merging two conditions, when both conditions will be true, so then and will be used to merge condition. And or, basically there are two types, major two types which are given in your syllabus. And or operators are there, and operator and or operator. And में और में थोड़ा सा difference है that we are going to cover in upcoming programs. So what will happen actually in and or operators that we need to understand. Okay, I am going to show you some examples. Comments. Last time I have told you how to write comments. Comments मैंने बताया था आपको. Comments मतलब we are writing our own notes. For example, if I write here I am doing practice for if else statement. ठीक है, if I write such kind of thing in the program, when I will run it, I will have error. Why error is there? In line number 6 there is error. I have written this thing in line number 6, unrecognized statement encountered. Getting this point? So what is basically this error? This error is that it is the interpreter and the translator, or the translator of the program is basically not recognizing this statement. Okay, so how we can write our own comments? We will put one apostrophe or comma, single quote. This is not comma, single quote in the beginning. Then its color will become green. Its color will become green. So now this becomes a comment, remarks that we have written for our own convenience. This is the thing that we have written for our own convenience. Okay. So such kind of things that we are mentioning over here, such kind of remarks are basically called comments. इसको हम comments कहते हैं. ठीक है, ये हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था. Now अब हमें समझना क्या है कि over here if I am giving, if A is greater than B, if A is greater than B, we are printing the message के the A is greater than B and we are printing A. ठीक है, else we are writing the message that the B is greater than B is greater number and we are printing the B. So this is basically if then else statement, and we have seen the output even in the last class. We have discussed about it. Now what we are going to do, we are going to extend this program. अभी हम इससे ही related, अगर मैं दे रहा हूँ 3 and 4 numbers, तो then B is greater basically B is greater number, which is 4. Okay. Similarly, when I will give A greater number and B smaller number, so it will say that A is greater than. अच्छा, ये तो हो गया जब when condition is true, then you are taking some action, and when the condition is false, then you are taking another action. Okay, this is the thing that we have already seen in the last class. This is not a new thing. Okay. अच्छा जी. Now I am going to make another program in which I will take input for the marks. Okay. So what I am going to do, I will write another program. Just see over here. Let me make some changes over there. Okay, I will ask enter your marks. Okay, marks out of 100. कितने marks आए आपके out of 100? You have to enter, and we are saving it in another variable. कुछ और ले लेते हैं हम, एक ही बजाय capital ले लेते हैं, small ले लेते हैं, depends. Capital small का no difference है. I am saying M. I am storing it in the M. I am asking for the marks and I am storing it in the M. ठीक है. अच्छा जी. If the marks, अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? Condition. I want to check the condition. If the marks are greater, if the marks M is greater than, let's suppose 70. If the M is greater than 70, then I will say that K you are awarded A grade. ठीक है. This is the message that I am writing over here. Now please pay attention and look at this program. अच्छा, else क्या करेंगे? Else ये कर दें कि you are fail. जो 70 से कम होगा, he will be fail. You are fail. But if someone has taken even 60 number or 69 number, he will be fail. He or she will be fail. So we have two portions only over here. One is condition is true, and when the condition is false, we are saying fail. Basically, this is not the case. ठीक है. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है? अभी क्या हो रहा है इसमें? If I am giving the numbers above 70 then you have got A grade. And if I am giving the number even 1 less than 70, so you are getting that you are fail. So in between, the numbers are there, all numbers are there. So how we can check them? How we can check them? We will use another statement that we are going to study today is else if. Check another condition. What is basically the other condition? Check for an other condition. What is basically that condition? Acha, I had told you okay, when while discussing the if statement, we had seen this thing when we are writing. Condition can be written in the parenthesis as well. हम इसको parenthesis में भी condition को लिख सकते हैं. मतलब we can apply the condition in this way, parenthesis, small bracket. Okay, this is the condition. Otherwise it does not give you the error. Else if अगर marks जो हैं, if the marks are greater than equal to 60, greater than 60 marks, 60 से ऊपर हो. इक्वल टू भी लगा लेते हैं ताकि 60 भी उसमें शामिल है और यहाँ भी इक्वल टू लगा देते हैं कि 70 भी शामिल है, 70 या 70 से अबव. अच्छा जी, इफ द मार्क्स आर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 60, देन व्हाट वी आर सेइंग? सो वी आर सेइंग के you have got B grade. Now we are going to award, you are awarded B grade. Okay, you are awarded B grade. Acha, you are awarded B grade, and then we are saying ke else text window dot write line you are fail. अच्छा, 60 से कम होगा तो क्या फेल हो जाएगा? कोई और कंडीशन भी तो हो सकती है ना. It is possibility. There is possibility कि there may be some other condition. Okay. So if some more condition is there, else if any more condition, if marks is greater than equal to, let's suppose 50, then we are saying okay, then you have got which grade? You have got now, you are awarded C grade. Okay, and then similarly we can say that you are awarded B grade, C grade, D grade, and then at the end we are going to write the last one, you are fail. अच्छा, हम इसको अभी यहीं तक रखते हैं, C तक ही रखते हैं. 70 से above, if the marks are greater than 70, I am going to save it as if, else, if, then. In writing in the P1 programs, if marks are greater than 70, marks are greater than equal to 70, we are saying that you are awarded A grade. Else if, अगर ऐसा नहीं हो तो check another condition. Check another condition that you are, the marks are, if the marks are greater than equal to 60, text window dot write line, you are awarded B grade. Else if the marks are greater than 50, text window dot write line, you are graded C, you are awarded C grade. Else otherwise, text window dot write line, you are fail. ये आखिरी ऑप्शन है. अगर इन सब में से नहीं हुआ, 70 से ऊपर नहीं हुआ, 60 या उससे ऊपर नहीं हुआ, 50, and if it is not more than 50 or equal or upper value more 50, more than 50, then you are going to have that this is basically for the text window dot write line. Last one is basically if all the above options are not there, the rest will be fail, whether it is 1 or 2 or 3 marks, 4 marks up to 49, all will be failed. Okay, now we run it. Okay, I will show you the example. If I give 87, your grade A grade. Okay, if I run it again, if I give marks 65, see the output, you are awarded B grade. Okay, if I run it and I give marks for, let's suppose 55, 54, you are awarded C grade. But if I give any marks, whatever the marks less than 50, 33 देता हूँ, 22, 21, you are fail. Okay, so this is called else if statement. Okay, अच्छा, अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? What we are doing? I am writing one remark over here. We are doing which statement? If, then, else if, then, else. अच्छा, इसमें देन भी आ रहा होता है क्योंकि, तो हम उसको भी लिख लेते हैं, if then else if then else, and then what is there at the end, and if तो आएगा ये. We are doing this statement, we are understanding this statement actually, which is basically called if then else. So this is basically called So I hope now this program is clear. If you have got any question, please raise the hand. Please raise the hand. Muhammad Safi. Yes, quickly.
Sir, I'm saying that please kindly mark my attendance because suddenly my just net got disconnected and I got out of the meeting. So note my attendance.
You were not present when I marked the attendance.
No, I was in the beginning, but when you were taking the attendance, my net just got disconnected and I just got leave.
Okay, fine.
Just
Fine, I
got
have
out
noted.
of the meeting.
I have noted your name. Safi. Achha ji. Yes, Salaf Ibrahim, please ask the question quickly. Quickly ask the question.
I also asked that why when you run the program, why the other things you wrote like if and elif and else and if, why won't they appear when you run the program?
Sorry. Please ask me again. What is your question? Yes, Salaf Ibrahim, ask the question. It is not clear to me. Yes, Hiba Imran. Please.
Sir, can you please explain line number 1 and 2 again?
Line number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 mein what we are doing? We are writing a message, text window dot write, enter marks out of 100. हम उससे कह रहे हैं कि marks input दो. Then we are taking input for the marks. We are storing in the variable m. M is equal to text window dot read. This is the thing that we have done in all the previous programs. Okay.
Sir, when we are running a program, it's given there that it's given there any marks like 70, it's A grade. So can we write it together when we run program?
What together?
The marks, like
That-
you have written here.
Listen, we are doing for one student for one test mark. Okay, so you will give only one marks na, एक marks दोगे आप, and it will give you the output for that कि whether you have got A grade or B grade or C grade. Getting this point?
Yes. Thank you.
ठीक है? Urfa.
Sir, can you explain 7th line again?
7th line में what we are doing over here, basically 7th line is basically printing B grade, and definitely it is dependent on this statement, which is 6th statement. Else if marks is greater than 60, then we are printing that you have awarded B grade. ठीक है? When the marks are greater than 60, you are awarded B grade.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Musa Ishtiyaq.
Is sir, can I show you what happens when I open your program in my video?
Your voice is not clear and your voice is basically Breaking. So I'm unable to listen to you. Ask me again quickly. Ask me again.
Is sir, can I show you in a video at what happens when I open your program?
Right now you can ask me individually, but right now ask your question about this program that we have written. Okay. Ayat Zubair.
Sir, can you explain the third line one more time?
Third line is a comment, remarks for our own easiness. Interpreter or the translator is not going to read it.
And sir, why are we writing else self?
बिकॉज इसमें देखिए ना, इफ आ रहा है फिर देन आ रहा है, फिर एल्स इफ आ रहा है, फिर देन आ रहा है, फिर एल्स आ रहा है आखिर में. तो दैट्स व्हाई इसको हमने लिखा है कि हम इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं. बेसिकली हम ये काम कर रहे हैं. वी आर डूइंग एक्चुअली दिस थिंग. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Structure is basically explained over here. Yes, Iman Zafar.
Sir, in the 10th line, if we write parentheses m less than 50 parentheses, then will it make a difference?
No, it will not make any difference. But right when you have, what are the options left? देखें, after when marks are greater than 50, we have awarded grade. But what about the rest? All numbers, whatever. Only else means कि all rest of the options. Only else means all rest of the options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say up to 49.
Okay.
Okay. Hamza Khan. Yes, Salaf Ibrahim. What is your question? I have taken your question already. Yes, please. Acha ji, anyway. So now I'm going to explain you, okay, these are the questions. At the end, I'm going to give you classwork and the homework today. Keep in mind, classwork and the homework is there that I'm going to on every Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, you know about it. So on every Wednesday, you are going to have your classwork and the homework. And I'm going to show you that first one MCQs question will be there. And then these are the descriptive questions. What are the main points to be kept in mind while working in the small basic? I have explained you these all things, what are basically the main points. So I'm going to give you the answer for it, and written answer, short answer will be there. What are the rules for naming variables? We had discussed in the last class. Okay, whenever we have got different variables, so variable name will be capital or small, whatever you want. It does not make any difference. It will have underscore if you want. It may have numbers in it, but number cannot come in the beginning. Number can come in the at the end or in the middle. And space is not allowed. Special symbols are not allowed. These all are the rules that we discussed. Number C question is that explain the two types of variables. We had discussed about the two types. Types are basically numeric data type, numeric variables, and the string variables. Numeric variables matlab jaise marks, age, height. These are the numeric variables. String variables are those variables which are characters, means ke address, gender, your name, father's name. This kind of variables are basically the string variable. Now if you see that D question is there, how will you write a comment in small basic? How we are going to write the comment? I have explained you practically. Okay, we put an apostrophe or a single quote in the beginning of the line, whatever we want to make a comment. What is the difference between write line and write? I had explained you okay, when we are using only write, text window dot write, so cursor will come at the end of the line, just like in this program we have used text window dot write.
Can you hear me?
When we are writing, just a minute please. When we are writing text window dot write line, so then in that situation the cursor will move to the next line. Okay, so this is basically the difference between the text window dot write and text window dot write line. So if we go to the next question, what is the order of execution of arithmetic operators? This is the thing that I explained. First parenthesis will be resolved, then multiplication and division will be resolved, and then addition and subtraction. So this is the order, and I have explained you in today's lesson as well. Okay, this is basically the order of the of the operators, how the operators are performed. If you see the question number 6, programmers often use conditional statements when coding based on what you have learned about conditional statements. Evaluate the usefulness of if then else, and if then else statement. So these all are the statements that we have understood. Okay, and definitely I would like to write very short and to the point answer for you, so that you can write it well whenever you have got any assessment. Okay, so these are the questions that I will be giving you inshallah today, and one homework will be there. For example, okay, write down what do you know about operators, define operator, define program, what is a statement, just like the tricky terms are given over here in the tricky terms. What is object? Okay, what is property? What is meant by syntax? Syntax मतलब होता है कि how do you write a program code? Okay, this is called syntax. Yes, Solov Ibrahim, you want to ask something? Quickly ask the question. Our class time is about to over.
I wanted to ask that
Loudly.
if we can. Sir,
Please
like
ask the question.
you are going to send us a worksheet written in it the question and answers, and we are going to write it in the notebook.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Aris Khan, you have got question? Urfa.
Sir, can you repeat the homework and the page number?
I will give you in Google Classroom. It will be given to you in the Google Classroom. Okay. I haven't given you right now. I haven't given. I am just explaining. These are the questions that I am going to give you. I am just explaining it. Okay. Maida Jamil. Maida.
Sir, will you give any project?
Right now, I am not giving any project. That project will be given to you for the assessment. Okay. So when the project will be most probably from the publisher, because we have gone through the publisher. No? Two chapters are there we have done for the publisher. So when it will be assigned, I will let you know and I will put it in the Google Classroom. But right now, I am talking about the classwork and the homework which will be given to you on every Wednesday. This is the thing that I am explaining. I am going to give you the classwork and the homework which will be given to you. Okay. Yasir.
Sir, the order of the computer you will bring 3 times and more bytes.
What is your question?
Sir, in the order computer, you will bring 3 times and more bytes.
But I just told you that such kind of things can be asked in the homework. You can find out the answer from here. Okay, this was the point that I was saying. I haven't given you the homework right now. I will put your homework in the Google Classroom today, in today's date, okay, which is 19th of August. Okay, I am going to give you your Google Classroom over here in this date. Okay, this thing is clear now. Thank you so much. Your class time is now about to over. Thank you so much.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Okay.